Hey guys, so I have in my GE window air conditioning unit, and this one does come with Wi-Fi Connect, meaning that you can control this unit from a distance over the internet. And in this video I want to show you how to set this up and how to use it as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is take a look at the right side of the air conditioning unit, and that's where you should find one of these stickers here. See the one with that Wi-Fi logo? It says network and password. And it is essential that you find this sticker because you really need this in order to connect to your AC unit. Okay, so now I'm going to switch here to my smartphone. In this case, this is here an iPhone, but this also works in exactly the same way if you have an Android phone. So the first thing I'm going to do is install the GE Comfort app. So I'm going here to the App Store, type this GE Comfort in there, search for it, and this is where I find it immediately, Comfort GE Applications. And I'm going to install this, and I'm starting it. And the first thing you have to do, if you have not had a connected GE appliance, then you need to create a user account. And I'm going to skip this process here for now, since I am certain that you are able to go through this by yourself. Okay, so then I have now created my user account. I'm going to log in now, and this is what you're going to see next. So you have this plus symbol. You're going to click on that to add a new appliance. So we want to add our AC unit, and the very first list item that we see here, that's window air conditioning. So we're going to select this, and so we're going to press next, and now we see the control panel of the AC unit, and it wants us to press the Wi-Fi Connect button. So you see this here in my unit, you see this green light blinking. So this means we are in the setup process, or the Wi-Fi at this point of the AC unit is not connected. And so, but this is correct. We want this at this point to be blinking in green. And now we're supposed to type in the password that we see on the sticker of the AC unit. So I've shown you my sticker before, and all that you have to do is just type in the password that you find on your sticker. So now the next thing is that we have to connect our smartphone directly to the AC unit. And in order to do that, we're going to go to the settings menu of our phone. So in this case here, in the iPhone, this is here the Wi-Fi settings. And if you go through the list of Wi-Fi hotspots that you can find, there will be a GE module. So you're going to just select that. And then we're going to switch back to the GE Connect app. And the next thing that is going to happen now is that we are going to tell the AC unit what our Wi-Fi network and the password to this network is. So you want to select the your personal Wi-Fi network, and then you type in your password for that network. So you have to be aware that GE at this point may know exactly your Wi-Fi network and the password to it. And what happens next is that the AC unit now is trying to connect to your internet. So it's going to connect to your Wi-Fi hotspot. And you can see that this process was successful if you take a look at the Wi-Fi Connect button on your AC unit. You see here, at this point, it is now constantly green. So remember, before it was blinking green. Now it is constantly green, which means it is connected to the internet through your Wi-Fi. And if you don't have this constantly green LED yet, then something went wrong and you have to go back a step. So maybe you typed in the Wi-Fi password wrong, or you selected the wrong Wi-Fi. So something didn't work right. You cannot continue at this point. So you have to go back and start over. But let's assume that everything went correct. Then at this point we're going to see here these three list items here. So what's going to happen now is your smartphone app is going to connect to the GE servers. Also your AC unit is going to do the same thing. So now the AC unit is talking to GE, and we're going to couple the phone with the AC unit so those two can talk to each other at this point. And eventually you're going to see here the air conditioner now appearing here in the Comfort app. And when we are selecting the air conditioner, then we're going to see here the current status of the AC unit. So at this point, this is now off. And so now, wherever we are in the world, as long as we have internet connection, we have full control of the unit. So, for example, in the lower right corner, you see the on-off button. So if you press this, in this case, we would turn on the unit. So let's do that. So okay, so now I push the button, and through the internet we have now turned on the AC unit. Now if we want to make changes to the desired temperature, then we can do this here as well. We just select the center of the screen. Here we swipe to the temperature that we want to have. We press set, and immediately you see the changes also on the AC unit itself. So same thing here with the fan speed. We can go from high to medium. As soon as we press set, the new setting is going to be sent to the AC unit, and you can see this reflected. So now we have the medium fan speed, and the temperature we're going to set now to 75 degrees. And you see the setting immediately also on the AC unit itself. Okay, so now of course we can also turn the unit back off by pressing the on-off button again. Now, one really nice feature of this app is that it allows you to create really good scheduling for your AC unit. So you don't have to manually go there and turn it on and off, but you can actually tell it to turn on and off on specific time of the day. And for every day you can have a different schedule. So you see here, if you go to the scheduler, then you can just select here, for example, the Tuesday, and you want to tell it to turn on at 11:30 a.m. and you can tell it, okay, turn off at let's say 3:45, and you would like it to cool down the room temperature to whatever value you desire. So you select whatever you like, and then you hit save, and now this is going to be put into your schedule. So now you see every Tuesday between 11:30 and 3:45 it's going to be 77 degrees. So then, in case you're coming home from work every day at 3:30 or 4 o'clock, then you just turn on the AC automatically half an hour before, and so as soon as you come into your room, the temperature is going to be just as you like it. And now I have one last topic that I would like to cover, and that is, in case you are safety conscious, then you may want to turn off the Wi-Fi permanently on your AC unit, and you can do that by just pressing and holding the Wi-Fi Connect button for about 4 seconds. At this point the Wi-Fi is going to turn itself off. Yeah, okay, so this is all I have for this video for now. I hope you found this information useful. If you have any more questions or comments, please write a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos.